Mashed meat winter squash, a simple and delicious dish. First, we need to prepare the minced garlic and ginger and winter melon. Melon to this length. First, heat the pan with oil. What happens when the oil heats? Let's put the meat foam first. Fry the meat foam first. After the meat foam is stir-fried and dried, after cooking the minced meat, let's add a little ginger and garlic. Keep stir-frying. Put a circle of soy sauce. Then we can drop the winter melon. Stir-fry evenly. Let every winter melon have a taste. Pour in warm water. The water should not exceed the noodles of the winter melon. At this time, you can cover and simmer for 5 minutes. The lid after 5 minutes. Winter melon is already very fragrant. Add salt now. MSG. A little oyster sauce. Keep stir-frying. Make every winter melon transparent. After that, you can put in the scallions we prepared. After it's done, it's ready to serve. Every child loves to eat.